serum, you want to wash your face. And what I like to do, I like to take a couple of drops and I like to just rub it in my hand and just press it on my skin. This serum just helps to lift, tighten and firm my skin. It helps to repair the skin, helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines. When I apply the serum on my skin, take a look guys, my skin is just glowing, and this is also good for your under eyes. And don't forget to take the serum down on the neck and neck. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to make a facial serum. Now what is a facial serum? A facial serum is designed to repair the skin. It is used directly on top of your facial toner. A facial serum is always highly concentrated in antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega and all those electrolytes. This helps your skin to look younger, fresher, and also help your skin to have a natural glow. This is a skin tightening facial serum that will help to lift, tighten and firm the skin. This serum also has hydrating properties that will help to hydrate the skin once used on a regular. So if you're looking for a DIY facial serum that you can whip up in your kitchen, use it on your skin for a short period of time and see amazing results, then you may need to try this one. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. If this is your first time watching my channel and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it. It's easy as that. You're subscribed. Now we also have membership on the channel. Now being a member, you get a lot of perks on this channel, so you would really like to subscribe and also be a member. So also click on that join button below the video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Today we're going to be using some papaya seeds, and these are rich in antioxidant. Help to boost the collagen production in the skin, help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and give your skin a youthful glow. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just scoop out the seeds of the papaya in my bowl here. And what I'm going to do with the seeds, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse the seeds off, because all we're using is the seeds and not the flesh of the papaya. Once we rinse the seeds, we're going to remove them from the water. You can also choose to strain. Now take a look. Here we have our papaya seeds. Now take a look at the papaya seed up close. What you might not know is that the seed is in a bag which is filled with water. Now if you squeeze the seeds out, what you're going to get is water. And that's what we're going to extract right now. We're going to extract the papaya water from the seeds. This is going to take a while. You can choose to put it in the blender and blend and strain it. However, I like to just use my hands and crush the papaya seeds, since I also like to hear the sound of it. So once you crush all the papaya seeds and extract the juice, what you're going to do next, you are going to strain. So reach for your strainer, pour your papaya seeds in, and just make sure to get all the juice out. So I like to go back in and I like to crush to make sure that the seeds are totally squeezed out. And let me show you something really quick. Now take a look at this. This is the papaya seeds that has been squeezed, and this is the one that still have the sac around it. So to note the difference, an unsqueezed and a squeezed papaya seed. So if I go ahead and I take this papaya seed and I squeeze it, there it is. You squeeze out all the water, that's what is left, and that's what we're gonna toss. So here we have our fresh papaya seed juice, and what we're gonna do with this, we are gonna add some more ingredient to it. Now next I'm gonna reach for some aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel have to hydrate the skin, have to nourish the skin. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in the mix. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix the aloe vera gel with our papaya seed, and we are making a quick and easy papaya seed facial serum. So completely dissolve the aloe vera gel in the papaya seed mixture, mix and mix well. And take a look, guys, here we have papaya seed and aloe vera gel. Next, I'm going to reach for some rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. A tablespoon of the rose water, and I'm going to keep mixing and mix well. So here we have papaya seeds, rose water, and aloe vera gel. And now we're going to add one final ingredient, which is vegetable glycerin. And I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. Pour that in, and now we are going to mix. This is a quick and easy facial serum using papaya seeds. And now this is done, so let's reach for a small container, and I'm going to pour my serum in the container. And this is it, guys. Now once this is done, I'm just gonna give this a shake, and you're gonna put this to chill in the refrigerator. Once it is chilled, it is now ready to use on the skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. So to use the serum, you want to wash your face, and what I like to do, I like to take a couple of drops and I like to just rub it in my hand and just press it on my skin. This serum just helps to lift, tighten, and firm my skin. It helps to repair the skin, help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines. When I apply the serum on my skin, take a look, guys, my skin is just glowing, and this is also good for your under eyes. And don't forget to take the serum down on the neck and décolleté. Now what I like about this serum, guys, is that when I apply it on my skin, I just go back in and massage it on my skin like this. It have my skin looking so much younger. It take years off my skin. It's so special, but guess what? You're not gonna know unless you try it. So, and there you have it, an amazing facial serum that also can be dabbled as a facial toner. Whip it up, use it up, and guess what? Watch your skin transform. Watch your skin look from age to a more younger, youthful, glowing skin. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this on your social media page, and I'll see you all in my next video.